Hi there, welcome to Houston DIY. My name's Ben. In this video we're cooking chili con carne in the Ninja Foodi. Okay, so here we are with the Ninja Foodi 15 in 1. I've done a couple of videos so far on the channel, which was an unboxing and then a beef stew or a pie that we covered in the second video. This is the third full-length video I'm doing with the Ninja Foodi, and in this one we're going to do some pressure cooking. So I've been checking out a lot of recipes on YouTube, online, Instagram, all over the place, looking for different ideas, inspiration, etc. I don't think there's anything that you can't make in this thing. It looks unbelievable, and pressure cooking is kind of one of the main reasons why I actually bought the Ninja Foodi. Now it does seem a little bit scary, the whole pressure cooking thing, because it feels like if you do it wrong, it could just fail. Now I know there's things built in that detects if there's not enough water or liquid in there, which kind of should hopefully cover you a little bit. And when I made the stew on the first video, I was a little bit worried putting that in. I don't know why, I was just worried. But I don't think there's anything to worry about. As long as you get those water levels or the liquid levels right, I think you should be fine. And if you find after the pressure cook that it's actually a little bit too wet, you can obviously use the sauté or the sear setting on there, then just to try and thicken your recipe up a little bit if you need to. So in this video, as I mentioned at the beginning, we're going to make a chili con carne. So we're going to use beef mince and then kind of a chili mix inside here. So we'll use the sauté or the sear setting first of all, just to cook things off in the pan. We'll add as liquid in there, so that'll be kind of tin tomatoes, the liquid in the tin tomatoes, and also some beef stock. We'll use beef stock in there. And then what I'll do is I'll do a pressure cook, I think for 10 minutes perhaps. I'm going to try it at 10 and see what happens. I'll probably do a 10-minute cook with a 10-minute kind of natural release, and hopefully that should be fine. If it is a little bit thick after that, we can probably just then use a sauté setting again on there just to thicken it up if we need to. So I'm going to serve this with rice. You can obviously cook rice in the Ninja Foodi, but because I'm doing the slow cooking there, I don't think I'll be able to do it. I'd have to empty it and clean it and go again. Maybe having a second pan for this will be ideal for situations like that. So I will be using my rice cooker separately to make the actual rice. And this is one of the other things I bought this for, was to potentially replace the rice cooker. But if you are cooking the main meal in there and you want to do your rice, you're kind of a little bit stuck, because I don't think you could cook the rice and the chili at the same time. So yeah, maybe a second pan for that, so you can take the chili out, then put the rice in, is an option. I don't know if anyone else out there has done anything to get around that, if you bought a second pan. If you have and you're watching, drop it in the comment section, let me know. Okay, so I'll stop waffling now, stop talking. What I'll do is I'll do a quick run through of all the ingredients we're using, and then kind of show a little bit of a step-by-step process of how I cooked it in there. But it's super simple. Basically fry things off, add some liquid in, put it on pressure cook, and away we go, and it should be done in kind of 10-20 minutes. Okay, all done there with the beef chili in the Ninja Foodi 15-in-1. Overall, really successful. Chili was really, really good. I used the pressure cooking setting as I've shown in the video. One thing at the end, it was a little bit watery, a lot of liquid left in there, so I did put it onto saute at the end just to reduce it a little bit. I was in a little bit of a rush with tea, so I could have done it for longer to thicken it up more. Maybe the next time I do it, I'll use less stock perhaps, so it's not as wet to start with, and that should help make it a little bit thicker, obviously towards the end. So overall, really simple to do. Obviously all the prep in there on the saute, get everything dumped in onto that pressure kind of steam setting, and away you go. You then serve it with obviously whatever you're serving it with. We had it with rice. So definitely a recipe that I'll obviously keep maybe for every now and again. Chili, we have chili maybe once a month perhaps, and we'll do it this way each time. It is much easier to do it this way. So overall, really successful cook. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and found it informative. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. Let me know in the comment section why. Any questions about what we've done at all in this video, previous videos, something else we should cover, something else we should change, any suggestions for example, drop that in the comment section. I will reply to all questions and comments. And if you want to follow the Hughes and DIY channel for more cooking, tech reviews, product reviews, giveaways and much more, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.